Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. Monday, January 29, market closed lower today, down 55.41 points or down 0.83% to close at 6,630.68. Value turnover at 3.8 billion pesos. So investors remain on the sideline ahead of the GDP release on Wednesday. So on Wednesday we will release the fourth quarter GDP, and for full year 2023 we are forecasted to grow 5.1 to 5.6%. So last year fourth quarter or last 2022 fourth quarter, I think 7% ang GDP natin, So our market is really underperforming compared to our GDP growth. Let's see how the new cabinet members would push for reforms to increase liquidity. We're referring to Frederick Go. So he will be heading a special department in charge of NEDA. So all this, it's a welcome addition na ma-add siya sa cabinet ni Bongbong Marcos. Anyway, UBP, full year net income declining 28% year on year to 9.2 billion. Remember last year, sabi ko yung earnings nila very flat despite being added sa index. It's just being technical. Nilagay lang siya sa index, but there's no growth, especially with the acquisition of Citibank na overvalued nilang binili. With this acquisition of Citibank, they're expanding their credit card business, but it's a challenging environment for them. And they're also looking to raise around 10 billion pesos via stock rights offering. Medyo kaka-stock rights sila, uutang na naman. Of course, this would accelerate the digital banking push ng Uno Digital. So anyway, SM Prime is looking at up to 100 billion capex this 2024. So they also mentioned that they don't need to rush the IPO ng SM rate. So they are cash rich right now. And the banking arm of SM naman, BDO just raised around 63 billion in the sustainability bond issuance. So no rush to do an SM rate IPO, especially sabi ni Hans, Hans C, 3 out of the 8 IPO umakyat, the rest laglag. Most of them wala pang volume, it's just A rate who is above IPO price. Anyway, SPNEC was also put on a trading suspension last Friday, So tahari ng suspension talaga to. After being suspended for 6 months na lift, tas ngayon sinususpend na naman, So the right thing to do is really to professionalize the company with the entry of Manny Pangilinan. Sana ma-professionalize na talaga. So I don't know if paano nakalusot to, Of course, with this suspension, mahirap mag-cross transaction. They need to do it outside the exchange. Anyway, CNN would also end its services after some time, 7, 8, 9 years yata, So they would end by Wednesday. It's a competitive environment. Let's see if ABS-CBN would absorb these talents, and ABS-CBN would absorb the frequencies belonging to them. But I won't be surprised if ABS-CBN would push for instead of a TV network, magiging ano na sila, entertainment provider. So anyway, A-Rate will boost its public float via a 9 billion additional share offering, FYI. So Cebu Pacific grew closer to its pre-pandemic high due to the resurgence of travel demand. BDO will be also acquiring the yung Keppel Land, So Keppel Land, it's a joint venture with Keppel and the SM group, So it would be absorbed. Yun yung kung nasaan yung podium right now. Anyway, our passcode for today is GDP, So sabi naman ni April, So this time would be different, We are going into bull market, Of course, if we're just being technical, any movement above 20% from its recent low bull market yun, no? Of course, wala lang talagang volume. We're averaging 4 billion. No? We really need to average 7 to 8 billion para yung talagang rally natin is very convincing. No? Other than that, a short-lived rally. No? Let's see if February 8 is a holiday. No? So, February 9 is already declared a holiday by the government. February 10 is Chinese New Year. February 8, let's see if it would be declared as a Muslim holiday. No? It would be a long weekend. No? So, let's be cautious on the market, lalo na with the political attack of both parties. We're talking about the Bagong Pilipinas and the Duterte group, no? Wala nang unity, nagtitira na sila, no? And it could lead to destabilization plot, no? So, yikes, no? So, GDP, that's our passcode. Again, thank you very much for listening. Bye.